esteemed chief guest of this colorful function, Mr. Satyabrata Sahu, IAS, Transport Commissioner, Chennai, our beloved Secretary and Correspondent, Sri D. Thomas Prango Rajendra Dev, Associate Secretary, Sri R. Balaji, our correspondents, Mr. T. Sendikumar, Mr. Ravichandran, Mr. A. V. Joseph, our management committee members, Sri Sundar Raman, Srimati Sandhi, our principals of SBOA School and Junior College, SBOA Matriculation and Higher Secondary School, our newly formed school, Global School Principal, and the PTA President, Mr. Mahesh, the founder trust member, Mr. Parthasarathi, our former Secretary and Correspondent, Mr. Parthasarathi, respected parents, other dignitaries of the dais, and my dear students. I am really very happy to be here when we celebrate this 37th annual day of our mighty school, SBOA School and Junior College. Whenever we celebrate our annual day of our schools, it makes us very happy to remember the history behind it and our visionary leaders, the sacrifices they made, the hard work they have done for making this wonderful trust for the service of the society. And when we started the school in the year 1979, it was a very humble beginning we made. The school was formed in a hut, thatched hut, and there were only 13 teachers at the time in 79 with 382 students admitted when the school was formed. But now we have grown to the level of around 10,000 students with 356 teachers and other non-teaching staff. They are dedicated and they are doing wonderful service for the growth of our schools. Over these 37 years of our service to the society, our school has produced excellent results, not only in academics, but also in sports and games, extracurricular and co-curricular activities. And we are very happy that our students are excelled in all the fields, and the alumni of our school, the way they are placed in the society, they stand as a testimony to the success of our service to the society. Our management committee and our educational trust, we see that nothing is spared for the development of the children, development of the skill of the students, so that they become successful once they complete their studies and once they leave for higher education and they settle in life. We strongly believe that the holistic development of the students, it is very important, and that is the key to success in one's life. Madam Principal, she has presented a very beautiful annual day report that speaks volume of the exemplary achievements made by the students due to the dedicated service of the teachers. I congratulate all the teachers, correspondent, principal, and also the students, parents, everyone. All are combined together for the success of the school activities and the performance of the students. We see that our students are very good. Our students are having special place in the society, and they they must be different from others. That is what we aim at. And recently we have laid foundation for the global school. We have already started the school in our matriculation school campus, and the school is functioning. And having laid the foundation stone, we are going to construct a new school, global school with state-of-art facilities, with fully air-conditioned atmosphere. That will keep the students very happy, and they will be able to study well, and the parents also will like the children's that comfort and happiness. We are very positive that that global school will be very successful once it is started in that new building. I also wish the principal who has been appointed for the global school all the success in the future for the global school activity. Annual day, whenever we celebrate, that is the occasion we review our performance, and we are very happy that our SBOA school and junior college, they are doing wonderful service and the achievements are plenty. But then we cannot be complacent whatever we are doing now. We have to aim high. That is what our secretary and correspondent also is advising the teachers. So we have to see that we have to achieve more and more, and we have to serve the society in a better manner, and we have to set goals, higher goals, and we should try to achieve it. I am very sure that under the able guidance of our secretary and correspondent, the principal and other teachers, they will be able to reach high, and they will be able to see that SBOA flag flies very high. On this occasion, as we have completed 37 years of this service, I thank all the parents, well-wishers for their excellent support and patronage for the growth of the organization. Without your support and without your cooperation, it is very difficult to reach this level of glory. So I thank everyone who is involved in our mission in this service to the society, and I take this opportunity to congratulate all the teaching and non-teaching staff for your service, for your commitment to the society, and wish you all in success in the endeavors. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your words of motivation and encouragement.